How to draw a construction hard hat. We're going to start off by drawing the brim of our hat. Next, we're going to draw the top of our hat. We're going to draw a curved line going upwards from the brim of the hat that we just drew, and then we're going to add a couple more lines for details. Make sure to stick around until the very end so that we can color in our drawings together. Next, we're going to draw the middle part of our hat. We're going to start from the right side of the brim that we drew and draw a straight line going across. Then we're going to draw a smaller line going upwards. From the smaller line, we're going to draw a big curved line going upwards towards the top of the hat. Then we're going to draw another curved line going upwards towards the top of the hat, a little bit to the right of that one that we just drew. Then we're going to draw a curved line to connect the top of the hat to the back of the brim that we drew at the very beginning. Looking great, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! We're going to draw a curved oval-like shape on the hat for detail. Then we're going to draw a line from the back of the brim of the hat to the middle of the hat. This is how to draw a construction hard hat. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. And if you like step-by-step drawing tutorials, then make sure to subscribe. Now let's go color in our drawings together.
Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.